Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi connection, and then we can enter the settings. Now in this left section, scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. And here in this basic information, we've got the system update, so let's simply tap on it. Give all the permissions it needs. And basically we can meet two different scenarios. Your device will check for the updates, and this is the first result where your system is up to date. Your device will show you this information, everything looks good. The second option, the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. Of course, we can tap on check for updates again. When it will find the update, it will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on install or download, and your device will apply the update to the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.